Pre-K. This is your math focus for the week. Last week, remember that you all matched number bonds to the cubes that they were representing, okay? So this week, if you notice, the number bonds are already filled in, okay? And then we have these blank cubes next to each of them. This cube is for this one, this set of cubes is for this one, and these set of cubes are for this one, okay? What I want you to do is look at the number bond, then I want you to make the cubes match it, okay? So I'm gonna give you a few hints and then we're gonna do one together, and I'm gonna leave you all to do the other two on your own, and if your parents wanna put something together for you, they can. Okay, so let's just focus on this one right now, okay? We have the number 6, number 3, and the number 9. We know which one is the total because we know which section is the total because that's the one that has the other two sections coming into it, okay? So our total is the number 9 because it has the other two sections feeding into it, okay? So that's the easy part. You're so super smart, and I know you know that already, okay? So this is the total, and these are the two parts of the whole or parts of the total. So since the total is 9, that's how many cubes we can have. We can't have less than 9, we can have more than 9. So let's count and double check to make sure. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. So we have 9 cubes. You don't have to do anything else with that because that's already there. Okay, so now what you're going to do to make sure that your set of cubes and your number bonds match up is you're gonna draw what you see. So I'm gonna do this one for you, and then I want you to do the other ones on your own. And if you want to do some with your parents, my parents today, and send me a picture of it or a video, that's perfectly fine too. And I do recommend using different color markers, parents and kids, so that you won't get confused, okay? So I'm gonna use my green marker first, and since I'm using my green marker, I know that I'm going to be showing the number 3 with my cubes, okay? So that means I'm gonna color 3 cubes. Now, I recommend and I prefer to color them all next to each other so we can see those parts. If you mix them up, it could be hard to see where one part ends and another part begins. So let's get started. So one of my parts has to be 3. And I'm gonna do it in green. So 1, 2, and 3. Now you probably color better than Miss Davis, but I don't want to get too much of the black marker mixed into these, okay? So I've done half of that already. We already have our 9 represented by our 9 cubes, okay? And our 3 is one of the parts that's already been represented by coloring 3 of our cubes green. The other color I have is red. And how many cubes am I going to color red? If you said 6 cubes, you're correct. This is the last part, it's in the number red, and we only have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 cubes left. So let's go ahead and get this started or finished. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Okay, so it's that easy and it's that quick. We have the number bond with 9 being the whole, 3 being one part, and 6 being one part. We had our cubes up here. We only had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 cubes. Okay, so that took care of our whole right there. Then we have to look at our parts and see how we were going to represent those parts in the number bonds. So I want you to pay close attention to how you do these, okay? Make sure you send me some pictures. Make sure you send me some videos if you would like to. I want you to go ahead and finish the other 2 on your own. And the week that I return, we're probably gonna flip-flop this, so you can go ahead and already practicing. We're gonna have this part, but it'll be up to you to fill in the number bonds, okay? I love you, and I'll see you later. Bye.